In this video of Cognos 10.2 tutorials by Bharati DW Consultancy, live project implementation, we're going to talk about report number 3, country heads. Create a table with 2 columns and 1 row. Alright, in the first column, drag a list, and in second column, drag a cross tab. Inside the list report, drag and drop chart to create master detail. Okay, this is the concept. So in the list we should have product category and sales amount. Chart will have product category, year, and sales amount. SA is sales amount. Next is create master detail relationships between list and chart, and in the cross tab we will have product category, product type on rows, and the year and quarter on the columns. Sales amount is the measure. So it's kind of a mini dashboard for country heads 3. So let's do it. So I'm gonna name this as country heads 3. Go here. This is our previous report, so I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna create a new report, and I'm gonna select our own template. And before I do anything, let me save this report so that it's named properly. I'm going to save it as country heads 3. Next, I'm going to drag and drop two columns, a table with 2 columns and 1 row. So a table with 2 columns and 1 row. So in the table first row, I'm going to drag and drop this list, and this is my second row of the table. I'm going to drag a cross tab from the toolbox here, cross tab. So in those 2 tables I have 1 list and 1 cross tab. Alright, so next is inside the list drag and drop chart. We are going to do it later. For now, in the list I'm going to drag and drop product category and sales amount. So I'm going to go to the source, product category, and sales amount is unit price, and I'm going to just lay out it on the top. There you go. So if I have to lay out, I'm going to select the table cell and click on this top thing. Next, I'm going to drag and drop the chart inside the list. This is how you're going to create master detail report. This report is a bit complex, so I want you to focus on how I am moving objects around. It's very important to learn real complex real-time reports. So I'm going to drag and drop a chart in the list as if I am dropping a column, and I'm going to select any chart type. So let me select this cylindrical chart type. You can see this chart appearing here. Inside the chart, I'm going to drag and drop the product category in the series, and I'm going to drag and drop year from the calendar query subject. So sales year, I'm going to drag and drop from the calendar query subject to the x-axis, and in the measures I'm going to use the unit price again. Okay, in the cross tab we will drop product category and product type on the rows and year quarter on the columns. Alright, so product category and product type in the rows, and I'm gonna drag and drop sale year and sale quarter in the columns, and sales amount, which is again the unit price, in the rows, in the measure area. Again, like list, I'm gonna align it to the top. Now let me run the report. It's always run the report in chunks and pieces to see if it is working. So this report is running, and in a few minutes or seconds you would see, so this beauty, which is a product category, you can see for this beauty cell and laptop is repeating, so is for the cell beauty cell and laptop. So for every value of the list product category, this chart is repeating. That means we haven't done the master detail yet. We will do the master detail, and this is crosstab, which looks perfect, right? Okay, so in the next video we are going to talk about the master detail report, master detail link.